I am going to deal with rotate instructions in this video. Rotate instructions are widely used in many different applications. There are 4 rotate instructions in 8051. They are RLA, RLCA, RRA, RRCA. We will see each one of them in detail. First one, rotate accumulator left by 1 bit, which is denoted as RLA. R means rotate, L left, A accumulator. In rotate left, the 8 bits of the accumulator are rotated left by 1 bit. The bit D7, which exists from the most significant bit position, and enters it into D0, which is the least significant bit position. For example, move A, #69H. Accumulator will be having the value 69. The 69 can be represented as 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. As you all know, this is the least significant bit position, which is the D0th bit, and this is the most significant bit position, which is the D7th bit. These are all D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. In this, the bit D7, that means this 0, exists from the most significant bit position and will enters it into least significant bit position, which is the D0. So, this 0 exists from here and will enters it into D0th bit. D7th bit becomes the D0th bit. Then, here D7th bit is 1. This 1 will enters it into D6th bit. And every bit is then shifted left by 1 bit. So, this accumulator will be finally having the result as 11010010. This can be read as 1101 means D and 0010 means 2. So, accumulator will be finally having the result as D2H. Then, second one, rotate accumulator left through carry. Through carry, you have to rotate the accumulator left. Instruction is RLCA. Rotate left carry accumulator. Here, most significant bit is moved to carry and carry is moved to least significant bit. You can easily identify this with an example. Clear C. CLR C means carry is clear to 0. Then move A, #99H. A will be having a value 99. This 99 can be represented as 1001, 1001 and carry as 0. Here, most significant bit is moved to carry. That means this carry will be shifted towards here. Carry will be shifted towards here. That means you can denote this carry as the most significant bit. That most significant bit, which is the 9th bit, will be entered it into least significant bit position. Then each bit is shifted left by 1 bit. That is, this 1 can be shifted here. This D0th bit will become the D1st bit. Then D2nd bit will become the D3rd bit and so on. So first you have to move this carry. Assume that this carry as the most significant bit position. Then you have to move this carry to the least significant bit position. Then you can shift each bit left by 1 bit. Then after this 1 will enter as the carry. Here 0 will become the D7th bit and this 1 will enter as the carry bit. After reading the result, you can see it as 0011, which means 3, and 0010, which means 2. So accumulator will be finally having the result as 32H with a carry 1. Then third one is rotate accumulator right by 1 bit, which uses the instruction RRA. Rotate right accumulator. In rotate right, 8 bits of the accumulator are rotated right by 1 bit. D0 exists from the least significant digit, enters it into D7, which is the most significant bit position. Just the reverse of rotate left instruction. That means this D0th bit will enters it into D7th bit position and other bits will be shifted right by 1 bit. For example, you can see here accumulator will be having the value 66. 66 can be represented as 0110, 0110. This is the least significant bit position. This significant bit position D0 exists from here and will enters it into most significant bit. So D0 bit will become D7th bit. Then D7th bit will become D6th bit. D6th bit will become D5th bit and so on. So after reading the result, you can see 0011, 0011. This 66 becomes 33H. Accumulator will be having the result as 33H after rotation. Then fourth one is rotate accumulator right through carry, which uses the instruction RRCA. Rotate right carry accumulator. In RRCA, as bits are rotated from left to right, they exit the LSB to the carry flag and the carry flag enters the MSB. You can see this by means of an example. First, carry flag is cleared by using the instruction CLRC. Then move A, #99H. That means accumulator will be having the value 99. Since this carry flag is cleared, we can denote carry as 0. 99 can be represented as 1001, 1001. Then first this carry flag will be entering here. Then each bit is shifted right by 1 bit. You can see that this is the D0th bit, this is the D7th bit. After that, I have denoted carry value. This carry flag will be entering here. Then this one, that is D7th bit, will become the D6th bit. D6th bit will become the D5th bit and so on. After this, you can see that there a value arises. That value will become the value of carry. After shifting, you can see that a bit arises here. That bit will become the value of carry. So after right rotation through carry, you will be getting the result as 0100, 1100. 0100 means 4, 1100 means C. So accumulator will be finally having the result as 4CH with a carry 1. Thank you.